Oh my god, I'm so mad. Well, and sad. Oh shit. If you've been following my resin teeth thing, which is now stretched on for about 3 videos. Yesterday I made brand new molds of my teeth and then filled those with plaster of Paris. If someone were to walk in my house, they'd just see these plaster of Paris teeth everywhere. I've got the tops and I've got the bottoms. They're looking great. Freaking teeth I was gonna use cracked. I'm so pissed. Right there, you can see it cracked. I have struggled to get this day going. I bought blackout curtain. The lighting in my house has never looked like this before, where it's dark here, light here. It's weird, man. Not only is my place less echoey, it's so damn cozy because it's a little bit quieter than it was before, and also it's a little darker, so it's perfect napping time. These right here are the blackout curtains. I know they don't look like they're blocking out a whole lot, but they are, oh my gosh, in comparison, oh my god. Today we're doing something that is absolutely my favorite thing. We are gonna look up really cool items, but one thing I wanna do is make sure that you at home could purchase this if you want to. Full disclaimer, I am not purchasing these items. Sometimes there's a threshold that I cross where I'm like, if I say too much you guys are gonna turn on me. Sometimes I make you guys seem like you're always angry, and maybe it's just the anger that lives inside of me. Free me from the pressure. Look at the lighting in here. It's so whack. I swear it never looks like this, guys. It's like soundproofing my windows. It's weird. So crispy. So crispy. I have scoured the internet looking for items that I would personally buy. The fact that they exist really excited me. Sometimes I leave that wrench out just so people are like,
wow, Dan, have you been renovating?
And I'm like, yes, thank you for noticing. I better put my wrench away. I know I've talked about this before with this lens, but look how it stretches my face. It's you have to stay here to look thin. I'm about to show you guys 15 items that actually exist on Amazon that you can purchase. And hand selected by yours truly, Dan Roto. Let's do this. Item number 1. By the way, there's a hidden Charlie right here. If any of you guys have noticed that, maybe you didn't. This one I've seen floating around. Oh, genius. Oh, you guys can't appreciate that because you don't know the item yet. It is a cloud chandelier. It looks like a freaking cloud in your house. This has been floating around my Instagram for a while as an ad. Now I know it is a scam. Asking for $24 for it. Here on Amazon, they want $391 for it. Some of them look fake. These ones look kind of trash. This kind of looks like what your kid made at preschool and you are forced to hang it. There's no way it looks like that. That looks so legit. That's so sick. That's item number 1. Item number 2. Now this one is sick and I would love to have this, except it would lose its charm literally after the first use. It is a magic flaming fire wallet. It's only $35, but apparently when you open the wallet, flames go shooting up. I do not make enough money to risk burning all of it. If you look close up, it looks like, you know how on a lighter they have that wheel thing? Like a flint wheel? It looks like there's a flint wheel, so you kind of have to light it and open it at the same time. Now, if you're new here, I do have a video. Here's a quick clip of it. I bought a pocket fireball shooter. Yes, it was pretty dangerous. It straps on your wrist and there's a remote that goes in your pocket that you hit and it shoots out a fireball from your hand. I tried this in my house. It was 7 a.m. in the morning, so I was so excited to try it. And I set off my fire alarm and I had no idea what to do after that because my house alarm started beeping. And I didn't even know I had a house alarm. I literally had to email my landlord saying, hey, the house alarm's going off and I don't know what to do. Next item, make your own neon effect sign 3 meters. This one's cool in theory. We've all dreamed of having our own custom neon sign. No, maybe just me? Okay. Unless the cord is super straight, it's gonna look very homemade. Again, like your kid made it in 3rd grade. In this picture, love neon. It looks very tacky, but still, cool effect. And it's only $24. Oh yeah. I totally forgot this one made the list. This one's called Asia Old Man Peel Stick Wall. Truthfully, I don't understand why this exists. Older Asian man that you can just stick on your wall. Imagine you have a kid that's like,
Dad, I want an older Asian man on my wall.
It is $80. Next item, 8-pound cereal bag of just marshmallows. If you're a fan of Lucky Charms and you've always said, I wish I could just have the marshmallows, you can legit buy that. It was last year, 2 years ago, they sent Kylie Jenner a box of just marshmallows. Lucky Charms did this. Although that would be crazy sweet. I wouldn't want to eat a whole bowl of that. Next item. The reason why this made the list is because I wanted to share how pointless it actually was. An oversized Sherpa hoodie sweatshirt blanket. They're trying to make this girl fit in, but she does not fit. Look at the look on her face first off. I'm sorry, she does not fit in there. 140 bucks. It's an oversized Sherpa hoodie. Oh, this one. Okay, this one is actually legit cool. This is called Spy Finder Pro. It is a hidden camera spy camera finder. You look through one end, there's a little lens, and basically it shoots out this red light, and any sort of hidden cameras will start to shine or flash back at you. This is 100% a gift for the paranoid. However, I have heard stories of people renting Airbnbs where they think there might be hidden cameras around. It has a 2.5 star rating, and they advertise it as a low-cost fix or solution to feeling like you're being watched. This thing costs $416. That's not a low-cost solution at all. Well, I still have the paranoid's attention because they're like, oh my god, I gotta have this. This one's called the Mic Lock. Now, apparently this blocks audio hacking on computer, tablets, and smartphones. It says that it'll stop audio hacking. Whatever the that means. I don't know. What's audio hacking? It fools your smartphone or computer into thinking a live external mic is present. Your phone thinks something is plugged in, and so when it goes to use that mic, it's actually not a real mic. So if you're pocket dialing somebody, they won't actually hear you because your phone is activating this, thinking it's a mic. All right, what's next? Oh yeah. But let me just start this off by this has a 1 star and it costs $67. It is a chicken harness with a 6-foot matching leash. I just think this would be awesome. I think if I lived in Texas still, this would definitely be something I could see. Personally, I don't know anybody that owns a chicken. No idea how you put this on. It kind of looks like lingerie for a chicken in this picture. Next item. If you're like me and you cook pasta for every meal, because that's all you know how to cook, this one's sick. It's called Fred and Friends Steamship Silicone Steamer. So when you have a pot of boiling water, you put this on top of the pot and it basically funnels the steam. So it looks like you have a steamship on top. I just thought it was cool. How much to this? $19. This is a carrying case for your Apple iMac 27-inch. Okay, if you need a carrying case for your iMac, why don't you just get a MacBook Pro? And also, this does not look convenient at all. I don't think this would save you any time. This is a guy walking in the street with it. The stand stays on, so it looks even more stupid. This is a beast of a computer. It's meant to stay in one spot. Unless you have this, clearly, then you can move it. Oh, this! Okay, I'm legit probably gonna buy this, not even gonna lie. And if I do, I'll do a review for you guys. Basically, it's bunk beds for hammocks. Like, it does not get cooler than that. Genius. I'm not the biggest outdoorsy guy, but if I was, I would make sure I have this. It's only 164 bucks. So yeah, I would buy this in a heartbeat. Okay, this next one is the only one that's coming from Etsy. I didn't put this on the list because I thought it was really cool. I put this on the list because I know exactly who would buy this. This is a wool knit brain hat. So you put it on your head, it's made of wool, and it looks like your brain's exposed. Oh my god. Here's who I envision wearing this. Definitely somebody that's single, that wears leggings under their skirt, headphones, a crossbody bag, maybe like an old vintage army style jacket, lots of eyeliner, and someone that probably says, I'm quirky. Again, this is just totally my opinion. So if you're at home wearing your brain hat, you're just like, F you, Dad. I am quirky. You can get pretty, I was gonna say spicy. I don't know why. It can get pretty expensive. This is a handmade item, so it's worth it. I think anything handmade can justify a more expensive price. And last but not least, this is an item that would be very functional actually. It is a better TV viewing slanted beer mug. Essentially, if you're watching TV and you go to drink from your like schooner, first off, you're an alcoholic if you're drinking that much beer. It's on a slant, so when you tip it up, you're not actually blocking the TV from your eyesight. So there you guys have it. That was my list of cool things you can actually buy on Amazon. As I decided to switch this video up, the last two were very like vlog style, me talking. I enjoy those personally and not focusing my content on resin teeth at all times. If you guys want to follow me and are still on board with my resin teeth journey, follow me on Instagram at Thanocracy because I'm getting close. I've now made plaster teeth. I'm getting there. If there's one thing that I am driven to figure out something I've creatively thought in my head. Anyways, there you guys have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found any items that I've missed, which there's probably 1,000,001 out there, tag me on them on Instagram or share it on Twitter or write in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn notifications on. If you're really against that for whatever reason, just make sure you come back every Wednesday and Sunday because that's when I make videos. Say it with me, Wednesday and Sunday. All right, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.